Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to sell your cryptocurrency into USDT instantly on gates.io. This is useful for fast trades, for stablecoin safety, if you want to convert your coin into a stable asset like USDT, and also for easy withdrawals. Step 1. You log into your gate.io account. As you can see, I'm logged into mine already, and then you navigate to your assets. This is my asset here. On my assets, I have Wikicards, highs, and other currencies here. So you are going to choose the coin you want to sell. Let's go for Wikicards, for example. If I want to sell Wikicards straight into USDT instantly right now, after clicking Wikicards, it will bring you to this page. You'll see the quantity of Wikicards you have and its equivalent in USD. I have 34,483,474 Wikicards, which is equivalent to 5.87 USD. So then we'll go to spot trading, click on spot trading. So this is spot trading. We want to sell. We'll navigate to sell. This is buy and sell up here, which is sell. Okay. And here we're going to set the quantity of Wikicards or the equivalent in USDT we want to sell. So if we choose to sell half of what we have already, we'll draw this to the middle, or we'll draw it all through if we want to sell it all. So I'm selling all. The entire USDT I have is also written down here. Is 5.879432 USD. That's what I'm gonna get in return if I sell all of these Wikicards. So if you're okay with that, you'll just click sell. But before we proceed to sell, this is the essence of this video. We're gonna change limit to smart market. A smart market sells your coins for you instantly. So you click on smart market and then you choose all of the Wikicard and then we'll click sell. So here we'll confirm the other, and there we have it. The entire Wikicard is sold into USDT instantly. So let's say this, we'll go back home. We'll go back home and check our assets. We'll wait for it to load, and then we'll see that right here our Wikicards has been sold into USDT, and this is what we have here. It's now $5.873. So there we have it. You've just learned how to sell your cryptocurrency into USDT instantly on gates.io. This is one of the fastest ways to secure your profits or move your funds into a stable coin. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more cryptocurrency tutorials, and drop a comment below on what you would like me to share next in a very simple and easy way to understand. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.